How to say it's normal here.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some doggies out my door.
Alright, we have 5 bones.
It'll take a whole lot of doggies. Alright, let's go. Run, 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 run. We got all the bones we need. Let's go. Oh, this is like crazy craft all over again.
Now we must find the dog.
This is crazy craft all over again, man.
SPCA around here or something.
Alright, you find the dog. I'll just worry about finding you.
No, no, don't. Just go back to the house, damn it.
Go back to the house. We're men. We can handle ourselves.
You're such a wiener.
Ah!
Ah. Hey.
I crashed at your guys' place here.
Lisa, I'm back at the house. Where are you? Oh god, that was too much work just to find some freaking bones for a freaking dog. Whoever commented to take a dog, take a fat dog.
It's a big fat dog.